Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Google Play reviews for your site in Webflow. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you're gonna click on it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of those widgets is Google Play reviews. You want to click on sign up for free, and here you can sign up with Facebook or Google. It's really up to you. And when you will have it, just click here login. So right here, you have option, and just let's write here Google Play. And you can see it here, Google reviews. Let's create a widget. Oh, no, that's not what I wanted. Sorry. Google Play reviews, yeah, here. Now, when we create the widget, you need to paste the URL here. And now you're gonna have like layout that you can play around with. Review, you can change it from the classic to bubble. And when you will have it, just click here save. After that, they will ask you for basic pack or pro pack. There's like $5 a month for 5,000 views or 50,000 views. There's like $10 a month, or light version, there's like current plan. And you can choose it if you don't have any views for your site. If you have, just like spend those $5 and you're good to go. So when we have the widget, let's go to our site. I recommend adding code to container. That's just my recommendation, because it will be put it to the middle and not to the right side. Save and close. Let's publish the site now. Nice. And let's see. Voila, here we got it. Perfect. Google Play review, and then we have it. So now that's kind of it, how we do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. Also, what I recommend, checking out all the applications. They're like $15 a month. You can get 5,000 views per application, and you get all 73 of them, from Facebook chat to reviews to so many things that are useful, and you can really play around it, what you can use, what you can choose. So that's probably it. I don't know what else will I tell you. But also of course, you got like those single applications for like basic $5 a month or pro $10 a month, and you can choose those two. So thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.